Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering what you need: a working email and a phone for verification. Open the Minecraft launcher or navigate to the Microsoft account sign up. Click Create One, choose Use Phone or Email. Enter your email, then set a secure password. Mix letters, numbers, and symbols so it resists guessing. Make sure to write it down in a safe place. Once done, you'll be ready for the next steps. Verify contact info and link Minecraft to that new Microsoft account. Once you receive the verification code, type it into the verification field. Time-sensitive codes typically expire in minutes. Next, choose a display name. This is how others see you in Minecraft. If this is a child account, follow prompts to set family permissions and restrict communications. Go to Security Settings and enable two-step verification to prevent unauthorized access. Make sure to confirm recovery options, an alternate email or phone, so sign into the Minecraft launcher using the Microsoft account credentials you just created. The launcher may prompt you to migrate an old Mojang account. Follow the migration prompts to preserve purchases and skins. Check your in-game profile to confirm username and purchases imported correctly. If login fails, clear the launcher cache, reboot, and try again. Make sure the time on your device is accurate for verification. If issues persist, use account recovery options or contact Microsoft support for stuck migrations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.